Hello, elegant, and welcome back to Miss CYN. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome back. My name is Nelson. You can also call me Miss CYN in the comment section down below. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. So, my people, are back. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just smash that red button, the one that says subscribe. Turn on your post notification so that anytime I drop new video, new content, you will be the first person to receive the notification like bang bang. With all that being said, elegant, let's just dive into today's video. So elegant, in today's video we are talking about some topic, talking about Mr. Burna Boy. So Burna Boy is in the building today. It's Burna Boy, and we need to talk about him for this very video. So Burna Boy can't come out for your own Twitter now. Can't tell people say you know be from Nigeria again, say you know from international. So na international man, international guy, now you come international young man, now you can be before Nigeria again. And there is this there is this man who be say come make Burna Boy understand say Burna Boy not supposed to talk write that post come out, or you're not supposed to talk what he talk say be from Nigeria again. Say me not make the Burna Boy not see forget say all this money where he make na through Nigeria, and Nigeria support am, na make can still make all this money. You know me say you don't blow now you can't neglect people wey be say make you do that post wey be say you did now, because if you see am Burna Boy dey play music, if people don't watch your music or if people don't listen to your music, there is no way wey be say you take that position where you feel say Baba God bless you. So now people now you watch your video and people can't say listen to your video. So as people they watch your video, they listen to your video, and most especially na Nigeria people, they always they watch Burna Boy music. Now Nigeria people, as in Burna Boy come they let us know now say not be from Nigeria, the money where he make not be from Nigeria, he for made the money. As in one point let people know now say Nigeria money not dey Nigeria will be say he go fit make him blow reach like this position where he dey now, because Nigeria not get that kind of money. So this man come say no, he proof journal react to that Burna Boy's post. This man, I will read the post later, but I just want to explain to you elegant so that you know what this post is all about. And after reading all the posts where Burna Boy said he's no more from Nigeria, and I will also read this this man that just came out to react to that post, and the man was also asking Burna Boy to just come out again and apologize to the nation, because the nation deserve some apology, because the Burna Boy was not supposed to say such. So after reading this post, my people, also go down in your comment section down below. You leave your comment if Burna Boy was right by saying that he's not from Nigeria, or if this man was also right by reacting to Burna Boy a video saying that Burna Boy shouldn't have said that, is wrong for him, that Burna Boy should come out and apologize. If Burna Boy was right for what he said due to Nigeria situation, so leave your comment down below. So elegant, the post where Burna Boy post for a Twitter won't go like this: say, I am not a Nigeria artist. I do not make my money from Nigeria, Burna Boy said. Before we talk about this topic about Burna Boy, where Burna Boy is saying not come from Nigeria, let's just go it if Burna Boy was really a Nigerian man. Yeah, let's go that. I'm going to go right now and search where Burna Boy is from. If Burna Boy is from international or from Nigeria, I want to really confirm it. So me go on Google now. I can see say just as you can see, I don't really know if I'm facing her very properly. So I think I will just do a screenshot and also leave it here beside here, so that you see where Burna Boy for come when I go it, because me myself I not be their family, I not just know everything about Burna Boy. But if you want to ask any question, ask Google. So as I ask Google tell me say Burna Boy is from Rivers State, and me personally I know say Rivers State na Nigeria there, na Rivers State they located. Say Burna Boy was born July 2nd. Let us say in next 2 months, in the next 2 months, July 2nd, Burna Boy dey do birthday, and he was born July 2nd. in Port Harcourt, Rivers State in Nigeria. So it's everything confirmed there. Say go no dey lie, so I go na come confirm and give me now say Burna Boy na from Rivers State, Nigeria. So may we read the post. I am not a Nigeria artist. I do not make my money from Nigeria, Burna Boy said. Burna Boy has said he is not a Nigeria artist, thought he is from Nigeria. He made this known on Twitter while reacting to a discussion about his achievements as an international artist. A Davido fans account going by the usual name A Better Time Gotten from Davido album said of Burna during the discussion he was just an average star back in Nigeria and Africa at large, more like an artist with prosper unlike his peers who has to do it on their own from day one. So the Burna Boy post conclude like this. So what you are saying then is Burna Boy should have turned down the deal, because like think a month ago Burna Boy win this Grammy award. So people are just trying to say Burna Boy shouldn't have do that. So a lot of people are now questioning, which is Davido fans. I'm now questioning Burna Boy, and the Burna Boy fans, they was just like fighting themselves on Twitter, asking a lot of questions. And this person come out and said, no, you are not getting it. The issue at hand and here is Burna Boy breaking into the mainstream international music industry. He was just an average star back in Nigeria and Africa at large, more like an artist with prosper unlike his peers who has to do it on their own for day one. The reason will be say Burna Boy come say from Nigeria, making money from Nigeria. Like a month ago Burna Boy win Grammy award, Burna Boy and Whiskey. So because of that, Davido fans come out now, they say Burna Boy no worth that Grammy award. Now Davido na he worth am, because Burna Boy was just still a little upcoming, back then. So they was trying to say the post will be say that Davido fans post will make all this discussion. Let me want read give una so the Davido fans come post like this and said that he was just an average star back in Nigeria and Africa as large, more like an artist with prosper unlike his peers who has to do it on their own for the day one. It was like the way this person call it talk, and I can't be like say they put Burna Boy for that position. Not be like Davido will be say they start their home, nobody put them for the position where they start from scratch, but Burna Boy na person I push am forward. That was what this person was trying to say. Burna Boy fans can't reply to this Davido fans. So what are you saying then is Burna Boy should have turned off the deal, because of the winning and all those things. So this Burna Boy fans was asking the Davido fans, say, as I give Burna Boy this award, make it turn out the deal, or what are you trying to say? So it come like say fans to fans, they come they fight themselves. This one bad Davido matter, while the other one come by Burna Boy matter, and so the issue continue. So the fans of Burna Boy come they try to defend the reason why be say Burna Boy win this Grammy award, not the other way around by Davido. So fans to fans come they fight themselves. This one fight for his shema, while the other one fight for his shema. This one will talk to Davido and the Burna Boy. They did their own bedroom, but na people na by their matter. Just they fight for internet, So as the issue come they go, and then Burna Boy come said, Burna Boy wrote, bro, do not get work up. It is Nigeria. Tweet with 2 delicious fans boosts. Trust me, you are not talking to actual people if their handling look like that. A following response to the discussion saying Burna Boy will soon leave Twitter Nigeria for Nigeria, and Burna Boy reply, me will not even be Nigeria artist. That is what Burna Boy said. Me will be say you not be Nigeria artist, but you dey act with Davido, you dey act with people wey be say na from Nigeria, and you dey declare yourself say you not be Nigeria artist. Like a following told Burna Boy that he is denying his motherland, and Burna Boy respond, I am not from here and I live here because I love my home and my people. E no pass like that. I do not make money from Nigeria. Na only Kosi dey here. Another following hit back, telling Burna Boy that he made money from Rivers State government during the homecoming ceremony organizing for him in Rivers State. Burna Boy denied this, written, "Low, I did not get a dime. Only the artists who honor me by performing at my homecoming were paid. Get your fat right." And because of this post, wey be say Burna Boy come say he not be from Nigeria now, so this man come out, he wan come reply to Burna Boy. Burna Boy deserve to just come out and apologize to Nigeria at large by saying that he is not from Nigeria. Burna Boy was not supposed to say so, and so on and so forth. So the post wey be say the young man for say Burna Boy make him apologize. May I read the post? You are already planted your downfall. That is what the man said. Say Burna Boy is planted his downfall. George Igbakun warned Burna Boy over his comments. The popularity and security of the state chapter of the Defense Action Congress, Joe Agbaku, has knocked off Grammy Award winner Burna Boy after he said a few days ago that he does not make his money in Nigeria. Recall that a few days ago, Burna Boy were trending and caused an uproar on social media after tweeting that he is not a Nigeria artist. He tweeted, I am from here and I live here because I love my home and my people. E no pass like that. I do not make money from Nigeria. Na only QZ dey here. However, Joe Igbakun has reacted to this and has called him to withdraw his statement and apologize to Nigerians, lest he plant his own downfall. In his words, he wrote, My dear Burna Boy, if it is true you said this, get it into your head that you have started planting your downfall without knowing it. If I were you, I will denounce this scurrilousness driving and apologize to the nation. Some funny people are still understanding the most educated black nation on earth. They are still looking down on the biggest economy in Africa. They are still ignoring the most endorsed black nation on earth. They are still belittling the most advanced business huge in Africa. They are still looking down on the most populous country in Africa. They are ignoring the most travelers, citizens in Africa. They are still neglecting the smartest, the most skilled and most talented people in Africa. So that was what the man said. So a lot of people do say the man was not right for saying that Burna Boy should come and apologize. So whatever and whatever. And a lot of people do say, yeah, the man was right. The man was just trying to say, Burna Boy is one of these richest person in Nigeria that is neglecting Nigeria, that Nigeria is not a nation, Nigeria is not a country, and so on and so forth. Burna Boy was for Nigeria, but trying to let people know and say, you know, before Nigeria again, money wey you make no be for Nigeria for make am o. And Nigeria not quality reach wey I go take make my own money wey I make o. Na Burna Boy dey try tell us now. People na you watch your video and people come say listen to your video. So as people dey watch your video, they listen to your video, and most especially na Nigeria people dey always dey watch Burna Boy music now. Nigeria people, as in Burna Boy come dey let us know now say no be from Nigeria, the money wey he make no be for Nigeria, he for make the money. As in one point let people know now say Nigeria money no dey Nigeria wey be say e go fit make him blow reach like this position wey him dey now, because Nigeria no get that kind of money. So this man come say no, react to that Burna Boy's post. This man, the man was also asking Burna Boy to just come out again and apologize to the nation, because the nation deserve apology, because the Burna Boy was not supposed to say such. Go down in your comment section down below. If Burna Boy was right by saying that his money was not making Nigeria, or if this man was also right by reacting to Burna Boy saying that Burna Boy shouldn't have said that, is wrong for him. If Burna Boy was right for what he said due to Nigeria's situation, so leave your comment down below. As Nigeria don't they get worse day and night, it's very easy where people just use one hand to cancel the Nigeria, come up with their passport, because the Nigeria self, if you even dey like some public shame go dey catch you to even say yes, I'm from Nigeria, because the way things are just going on. I know say not be for Nigeria, but bad thing for the whole world, but the way Nigeria come to they do their own, come be like form of say na the Nigeria then I come now a bad thing come happen pass, because of the way they use until they rub their lipstick and they rub all their face, you know, just showcase it. So it just make people understand say Nigeria is the worst bad country. Meanwhile, Nigeria is not the worst country in the world. There are a lot of countries that's also a mess country, but because they're not bringing it out on internet, we are unable to know that this country is really bad this way or they are good in this way. But Nigeria home is just not like that. If they want to go shit for toilet, they will bring and come out. If papa beat pikin, they will bring and come out. If mama no cook for your husband, they will bring and come out. Everything what they also do for their own house, all Nigeria people just they bring everything out. That is all I can say in this video. Whatever thought you have, leave your comment down below. I will see you elegant in my next video. Have a blessed, wonderful day. Stay blessed and bye.
Mr. Siwa and